This crate is lifted to a vertical height of 80 meters. So that's where it is after it's been lifted to the height of 80 meters above the ground. And then after that, it's lowered to its position shown over here, which is 20 meters above the ground. And we have to find the total distance traveled by the crate as well as the displacement of the crate. So let's start off with the total distance traveled by the crate. What does distance mean? Distance means path length. It is a scalar. And to find it, you must look at the entire path that the object moved. So what is the entire path that this object moved? The object started down here on the ground, went 80 meters up, and then it went down until it reached this level here. This level here is 20 meters above the ground. So how much distance did it cover here from there to there? Well, it must obviously be 80 minus 20. That tells you that distance there, which is 60 meters. So that tells us the path length was upward 80 meters. Okay, we don't need to give direction because it's a scalar. I'm just saying that it moved upward 80 meters, but the direction is irrelevant here. And then it went downward 60 meters to its current position here. So plus 60 meters, and that gives us the answer 140 meters. Now we don't need to give a direction because it's a scalar. Now let's go to displacement. Now displacement is a vector, so it has both magnitude and direction. So when we give the answer, we must make sure that we give both the magnitude as well as the direction. And then what does displacement mean? Displacement is the straight line, the magnitude and the direction of the straight line from start to end. So it doesn't matter what happened in between those 2 points, how the object moved up and down and whatever else. It just matters where the starting point was. It was down here on the ground, and where the ending point is, or level, that's the ending level, that's the starting level. And the straight line from start to end is over there like that, which is an upward vector, 20 meters magnitude, and its direction is upward.
And before we go, have you already liked? Have you subscribed? Have you left me a comment? And please go and visit my website. You'll find a lot of resources there, and they're categorized in a way that will make it very easy for you to find what you need. Until we meet again, learn science!